Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome profile picture. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your current profile icon. This is the circular icon that represents your Chrome profile. Go ahead and click on it to open the profile menu. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will appear showing your account information. Right beside your profile picture, you'll notice a small camera icon. This is what allows you to customize your profile image. Click on the camera icon to proceed with changing your picture. Now, a new window will open, presenting you with several options for selecting your profile picture. You'll see a collection of pre-made illustrations that Chrome offers as default profile pictures. These are colorful, stylized images you can choose if you prefer something simple and ready to use. However, if you want to personalize your profile with your own image, you have two additional options available. You can either click Upload from device to select a photo from your computer, or you can click Take a picture to use your webcam and capture a new photo right on the spot. For this example, let's click Upload from device to use an existing image from your computer. Once you click this option, a file browser window will appear on your screen. This lets you navigate through your computer's folders to find the image you want to use. Browse through your files, locate the image you'd like to set as your profile picture, and double-click it to select it. The image will then be imported into Chrome's profile picture editor. After selecting your image, Chrome will display it in an editing interface where you can adjust how it appears. You can zoom in, zoom out, or reposition the image to make sure it looks exactly how you want it to. Take a moment to adjust the framing until you're satisfied with how your profile picture will look. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click the next button to continue. This will take you to the final confirmation screen where you can review your new profile picture. If everything looks good, click Save as Profile Picture. Chrome will now apply your new image as your profile picture across your browser. To make sure your new profile picture syncs across all your devices, click on your profile icon at the top right corner one more time. From the menu that appears, click Turn on Sync. This feature ensures that your Chrome settings, bookmarks, and profile picture are consistent across all devices where you use Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to enable sync. Click Yes, I'm in to confirm and activate syncing. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Chrome profile picture and enabled sync to keep it consistent across all your devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.